Hello guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm in London and I'm going to visit some Christmas markets which are open in London. And first of all, I'm going to take my bus from here and I'm going to visit Leicester Square Christmas market, and after that I'll go to see Trafalgar Square Christmas markets. So that's my target for today. I'm going to walk there and I'll show you that Christmas markets, and I'll see after visiting them. If I have time, then I'll go to visit Covent Garden, otherwise I will come back from there. So yes, stay with me and I'll show you Christmas markets. This is the Leicester Square underground train station, and Leicester Square is just there. It's not far, it's like 200 yards away. So Leicester Square is just there. And if I walk this way after the Leicester Square, you can visit Piccadilly Circus as well. Market is just here. I'm going to visit. I think the entrance is that side, so yeah, I'm going there and I'm going to see Christmas market, and there are Christmas lights as well if I go further down there. But I'm going to visit this market and then I'll go to visit Trafalgar Square market. So Christmas market is just here. I'm going to visit there. But there are so many people, even if it's a rainy day, still there are so many people who are outside, and the entry is this side, and I'm going to visit there. after visiting this Leicester Square Christmas market, I'm going to visit now Trafalgar Square Christmas market, which is just here, not far. Like if you walk like 2 minutes, and then you can arrive there. There are beautiful lights here, and there are beautiful restaurants. I remember there is a restaurant where I came before. It's called Little Italy. I think it's just there. We went there, and food was very nice. I remember I went there last year during the Christmas season. Yeah, this place. So yeah, there are few nice places, Italian places where you can eat. There is another Italian place. So Trafalgar Square is not far from the Leicester Square. It's just there. That building is, I think that's National Gallery here in London, and I'll show you Trafalgar Square as well. I came from that side, and yeah, I'm just walking down here. Oh, yeah, that's National Portrait Gallery. I've been there inside before. I don't want to go now because I already planned that I want to go to Trafalgar Square now, and I'm not sure if I'm going to Covent Garden today because you can see the weather as it's raining, and to be honest, I just want to go home after visiting this Trafalgar Square Christmas market. Trafalgar Square is just there, and this is the Christmas market. I'm going to visit this market now. I think these people, they are coming outside from the National Gallery. So after visiting the Trafalgar Square Christmas market, I'm going to visit Covent Garden, where you can see Christmas tree and Christmas lights, and there is a very nice Christmas market as well, which I'm going to show you now. And there is a Charing Cross train station where I can see there is a very nice Christmas tree, so I'm going to show you that tree as well. It's getting dark now and it's raining as well, so I'm just going to visit Covent Garden, which is not far from here, but I'm not going to spend very long time there. But yeah, I'll show you that Christmas tree which is outside the Charing Cross train station, and then I will walk towards the Covent Garden, and I'll show you Covent Garden Christmas lights as well. This is the Charing Cross station, and there is Christmas tree, and the lights are very amazing. If you can see, it's changing lights. There is another street where you can see there are very nice Christmas lights, but I don't want to go there. I'm just here by the Charing Cross train station, and I want to go to the Covent Garden, so which is this way. And there is another road, I don't know the name, but there are beautiful lights as well. I'm very close to the Covent Garden now. Actually, I think this is the Covent Garden, but I'll go there and I'll show you Christmas market, and then I'll show you Christmas tree. It's still raining, but I thought if I came here I should finish all these places. So there is a Covent Garden Christmas tree. And there are some Christmas decorations inside the market. I'll go there, but I'll show you this Christmas tree first. It's very nice, and then I'll see this market as well. Covent Garden is here. I'm going to finish my video here, and I'm going to take the underground train from the Covent Garden train station. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video you can leave the comment.